I'm not sure what happened to the first video. I guess I wasn't recording, but I just installed these V lights. And this time I actually took them out after I installed them the first time because I had to take my car to the body shop to get a new bumper. And then I had to wait a couple months for the paint to get nice and cured before I messed with putting the lights in. I didn't want to screw anything up. And this time I installed a dimmer. So these are like dimmed at like 50% to kind of match the headlights a little bit better. And I think it came out pretty good. Figuring out where to put the fuse was kind of a trick, but I mean, not the fuse, the dimmer. And basically I mounted it near the passenger side fuse box area. And I guess I can show that real quick. I don't know if you can see it in the dark though. Let me see if I can video that real quick. Well, I just shut the car off, I guess, by accident, but this is the dimmer control I installed, and this is the line. It just comes up in through here and hooks up.